Important information. This information is for people who are police or police officers, army officers, and the Civil Defense Corps, Immigration, Man-O-War Nigeria, the Nigerian Customs, EFCC, Nigeria Drug Law Enforcement Agency, ICPC, that is Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offenses. Please, if you are one of these officers, I want you to, to tell you something you don't know about your job. I want to tell you this, and I want to also remind you to be at alert. This is a new way and a new strategy people don't know. You people don't know. Incessant abduction, killing is everywhere in Nigeria and in Africa. I want you to pay attention. If you pay attention, you will save your life. You will save people around you, both the ones you don't know, the ones you know, both your colleague, uniform officers, you will save them because nobody is free from this problem. Pay good attention. Do you know that many of you have been abducted and killed in many occasions? When you hear police was abducted, army was abducted, until today, they are not seen anywhere. Do you know? This is the information I want to leak to you. Anytime you find anyone anytime you find yourself as an officer on duty, you are on duty, and you look into a car, see some people or one person sleeping while you are on duty, I urge you, this information now is going to help you, help your people, help everyone around you. I urge you to take measures of telling the driver to wake up that person that is sleeping. Many of you were not trained, we are not told this. I know it is a norm in the uniform organization in Nigeria and Africa to stop a vehicle and collect something from them and leave them to go the way you have seen them. No. If you see anyone sleeping inside a vehicle when you are operating, even if you are moving in a street or on a road where somebody is sleeping, tap the driver to wake that person up. When you wake that person up, you don't need to leave immediately. Ask the person a question. Are you okay? If possible, ask that person, where are you going to know whether he is still on his track to the leading place he's going. Some of these people are using this opportunity now to kidnap people. When they enter into a car, they will rub some substance on the board that will make the people to be sleeping. Then they will take them to where they will maybe kill them or maybe abduct them for ransom. Many people will be saved if our officers will be doing this. Ask them where they are going to, ask them their names, and also make sure they are on their gangway to where they are going to. Don't allow anyone who is sleeping to pass you by when you are on the traffic or when you are on duty. If the driver refuses, make a call. Don't allow him to go because he may have abducted that person through rubbing those substances that make people to sleep. It is everywhere. That is what is raining now. I am a prophet. I need to tell you the truth. No matter what and no matter how the truth may look bitter, don't allow anyone to pass you by sleeping in a vehicle. It may be an abductee. This program is sponsored by SS Global Company, a real estate company that have houses all over Nigeria. If you want to buy a house, if you want to buy a land, if you want to buy a place you build your industry, they are ready to give you even 100 acres of land where you are going to build your industry. Nigeria is a place where you can build industry and make better things. Whether you are from China, India, you are from United States, you are from other countries in the world, come and buy a land and build your industry in Nigeria. They have better houses sophisticated homes. You have Lekki aviation houses. You have houses in Ikeja and all the rest. So why not call them on the line on the screen so that they will give you a house, you become a landlord today. Till then, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for coming in. For he who is planning to do evil, let him live his way. That is the Bible. My name is Ambassador 𝐍𝐶𝐞𝐰 𝐮𝐩𝐝. I am the prophet who said he will not stop crying until things are done right. Till then, God bless all of you.